Yung bunker.
So ayan o, kailangan pilapin natin tong mga sampling sticker. And then, itong sample witness form. And then, chief engineer's report form. And then, the note of protest, i-prepare natin. So, sakaling may discrepancy. And then, the landing items, documents. So, i-prepare din natin to para kung mag-land tayo ng sample. And then, ito yung karton ng Maritec. Dito natin ilalagay yung sample bottle. Then, ano pa ba ito? Itong seal. So, nilagyan ko na. So, M stands for marble. V stands for vessel. And L stand for lab, and S stand for the supplier. Then, the bunkering plan. Ano pa ba? So, the bunkering event log. And, depende sa, sa company kung ano pa yung mga dapat nilang standard procedure. Pero dito sa amin, mostly ganito lang yung piniprepare. Tsaka itong risk assessment, huwag kalimutan, i-prepare din. Then ano pa ba? Then bago mag-umpisa, meron tayong certificate of quality. So ito yung certificate of quality. Dito natin makikita yung mga result ng test. Maliban doon sa ipapa-analysis natin ng fuel.